Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to register tournaments in PS4 console. For example, if you want to join FIFA 22 tournaments, on this FIFA 22 home screen, you can see these options. Go to play and come right side, you can see these quick play modes. Here you can see these tournaments, PlayStation tournaments. Yeah, PS4 tournaments is there. You can directly register in FIFA 22 for PS4 tournaments. But if you want to see all the tournaments, right? And here we need to go to these events. So choose events. So here we need to come to down tournaments. Yes, here you can see this FIFA 22, Call of Duty, Taken 7, Apex Legends. If you want to join, right, FIFA 22, I'm going to open it. And here you can register it. So simply tap register. Super cool. You need to link your ESL accounts. So link. If you don't have ESL gaming account, just create it. It's very simple. And here you need to log in, or you can register with your PlayStation network. You need to accept, and accept. Super cool. Your account is now linked to ESL. So I'm going to give OK. To register for the tournament, you must accept the tournament rules. Yes. So I'm going to accept it. And then we need to give OK. Super cool. I have successfully registered for FIFA 22 tournaments. So I will be receiving notifications. If you want to unregister, right, again you can just simply tap unregister. I'm gonna give OK. So going back, I just want to show some other tournaments like COD. Yes, COD is there. Same thing, you can register here. Also, you can check the team list. You can read the all documentation here. What are the requirements? Everything you can read here, and even write what is the rewards if you own. Super cool. So going back, and UEFA Champion Leagues also there in FIFA 22, also for Taken 7. Simply read all the documentations and check the requirements and check the rewards as well. So that's it, friends. And then if you want to register, simply tap register. Accept. You need to install the software. You need to install the game. I'm going to give OK. So that's it, friends. Is the way you can register PlayStation tournaments in your PS4 console. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback and video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.